Okay guys, today you are watching look like a cheaters. Okay, let's start. What? Oh my god. Very poor. Very poor. He is unbelievable this moment. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is very magic. Yes. It is impossible. Are you kidding me? I can't believe my eyes. What the fuck was that? Are you real? I don't understand this game. Oh my god, it is impossible. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes, very fun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very fast. Very fast player. Oh my god. He isn't unbelievable. Oh my god. It's magic. It is very magic. Oh my god, it is an unbelievable moment. Okay guys. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? Yes, very nice fight. Oh my god. Very, very big chest. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh my god. Very shocking moment. What the fuck was going on? Yes, very clear. Oh my god, very beautiful. Yes. Yes! Oh my god! That's clear. That's very clear. Yes. What the hell? Oh my god, what the hell? What was going on? Oh my god. Like hell.
Plays look shady. It's not shady are the great prices at Skin Baron, where you can buy in the.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very huge moment. Yes, clear. Very clear. Oh my gosh. Yes. He's very patient and silence. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Is it really? What a reflex, my man. Yes. Yes. Okay. What? What the fuck was that? It is unbelievable. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm losing my mind. Oh my god. What a shot. Oh my god. Yes, I am shocking right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Very nice fight, like a Terminator. Oh my god. What? What? I can't believe my eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a shock. Yes, what the hell? Yes, he is waiting. Yes, clear. Yes. Yes, clear. Very clear. Very clear moment. Okay guys, thank you for watching me. Have a good day. See you later.